Tired of blurry Instagram stories? Follow these easy steps to upload your videos in the best quality every time. So the very first thing you want to do is launch your Instagram. Now navigate to your profile page, click on three bars. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option of media quality, click on it. Now here, you're gonna find different option. Disable for the option use less cellular data and disable display of SDR media. Enable for the option upload at highest quality. With this setting turned on, your stories will be uploaded at highest quality. Next up, check your internet connection. Before uploading any story, you'll need to check your internet connection. Whether you are using cellular data or the Wi-Fi, make sure your internet connection is stable. Lastly, what you wanna do is open your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option camera. Now you'll need to customize your camera settings. So head over to the option record video. Set it to the highest resolution 4K at 60 FPS, then head back. Now click on formats and set it to high efficiency. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your Instagram story bad video quality after upload will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.